Ever wondered how to launch your own MEV bot and rake in $2,000 plus daily profits? Welcome to the fascinating world of MEV bots, an innovative development in the sphere of financial technology. MEV, or Miner Extractable Value, bots are automated systems that seek out and capitalize on opportunities in the Ethereum blockchain for profit. They are like treasure hunters, scouring the blockchain landscape for hidden gems in the form of profitable transactions. The beauty of these bots lies in their ability to work tirelessly 24/7, identifying and executing trades that can generate substantial profits, often exceeding $2,000 daily. In the rapidly evolving world of fintech, MEV bots are the cutting-edge tools that could be your key to unlocking significant wealth. You're about to discover how to set up your own MEV bot and potentially earn $2,000 plus daily. Intrigued? Stay tuned. Before we dive in, let's collect the tools we need for this profitable journey. To launch a MEV bot, you'll need to have a few essentials at your disposal. First, you'll need a computer. This is your primary tool where all the magic happens. It doesn't have to be super high-tech, but it should be capable of running the necessary software without any hiccups. Next, you'll require a stable internet connection. This is crucial because the bot needs to interact with the blockchain in real time. Any delays could mean missed opportunities and less profit. Thirdly, you should possess some basic programming knowledge. Don't worry if you're not a coding wizard, a fundamental understanding of Python or JavaScript will suffice. Lastly, you'll need a small capital to get started. This is your ticket into the world of MEVs. The capital will be used to place transactions and earn profits. Now that we have our tools ready, we're set to launch our MEV bot. With tools in hand, we're ready to set up our MEV bot. Setting up your MEV bot is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to follow the steps meticulously to ensure optimal performance. First, choose a platform that fits your needs. There are several options out there, each with its unique features, so take your time to do a bit of research. Some platforms offer a user-friendly interface, while others provide more advanced settings for experienced users. Once you've decided on a platform, the next step is configuration. This involves adjusting your bot's settings to align with your specific goals and risk tolerance. You'll need to set parameters like your desired profit level, stop-loss limit, and the frequency of trades. Remember, these settings aren't set in stone. You can always return and fine-tune them as you gain more experience or if market conditions change. Finally, it's time to start your bot. This is as simple as clicking a button on most platforms. However, don't expect instant profits. It can take a bit of time for your bot to identify and execute profitable trades. Patience is key here, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your MEV bot. It's an exciting journey, and you've taken a significant first step, but remember, setting up is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start optimizing your bot for maximum profitability. Congratulations, you've set up your MEV bot, but we're not done yet. Your MEV bot is up and running, but how do you make sure it's profitable? This is the question we'll be tackling in this part of our tutorial. Firstly, let's talk about refining the bot's parameters. The essence of any bot lies in its parameters. These are the rules that guide its operation. You need to continuously tweak these rules based on your observations and the bot's performance. For instance, you could adjust the gas price or the types of transactions your bot is targeting. Remember, the aim is to find a sweet spot that gives you the best returns. Next, we move on to monitoring your bot's performance. This is like the health checkup of your bot. The key to maximizing profit is to keep a close eye on the bot's activities and results. This will allow you to identify any areas that need improvement and make necessary adjustments. And finally, adjusting the bot's settings based on market conditions. The crypto market is highly volatile and can change in the blink of an eye. Therefore, it's crucial to stay updated with market trends and adjust your bot's settings accordingly. This could be anything from changing the types of transactions your bot targets to adjusting the gas price. In conclusion, optimizing your MEV bot for profit involves refining parameters, constant monitoring, and adjusting to market conditions. Now you know how to launch and optimize your MEV bot to potentially earn $2,000 plus daily. Remember, patience and constant monitoring are key to success.